Yeah, let's start the today's session. I'm going to present my screen to you. Is it visible to you? Yeah, okay. So our subject is advanced web technologies. So my name is Mahendra Reddy. I have 5 years of experience. I recently joined in the computer engineering department last month. So I'm going to teach you the advanced web technology theory as well as the lab for the batch one. Okay, for batch one, I'm going to handle the lab, and for theory, I'm going to handle for the entire section. Okay, so advanced web technology it is a common subject to computer engineering and as well as the IT department, both the departments. So teaching scheme, and so weekly we have the three classes, three lectures for theory and two lectures for the uh, practical, and total 4 credits for this subject. And theory marks, end semester examination 50 marks, and mid semester is a 30 marks, and internal you have to do the assignments. Okay, that is a 20 marks. So we are going to give the two set of assignments. You have to complete that assignments. Then only you get the internal marks 20. And the practical marks, that is a viva, external viva, that is a 25 marks, and lab work, that is a 25 marks. That is a total 150 marks. Type of the course, there is a core course, and prerequisite programming fundamentals and web technology. Okay, so in the previous semester you already learned web technology, HTML, CSS, XML, DHTML, and PHP basics, and PHP using MySQL database connection. Okay, so now course content, we have 4 units in the AWT subject. But first one is object-oriented PHP and advanced PHP, and third one is a PHP MVC framework using Laravel, and fourth chapter is a Node.js. So we have 4 chapters. First one we are going to cover the PHP object-oriented concepts, and the second part we are going to cover the advanced concept, that is web scraping and regular expressions, and other mailing services, and so on. We are going to handle in this unit. And in the Laravel framework, so with the help of Laravel framework, we are developing a web application. Okay, so a lot of APIs are available in the Laravel framework. With the help of the APIs, we are going to develop the web application, and the Node.js also. With the help of JavaScript, Node.js, we are going to execute some basic applications here. And list of experiments, we have 5 experiments. So first one is develop a web application in PHP using various concepts of object-oriented programming like class, object inheritance, function, overloading, constructor, and destructor. I know you already know about these topics. So in Java, we already covered these all topics, and C++ also it is there. So you have aware of these topics, and with the help of these topics, we are going to develop a web application. Okay, simple web application, and develop a web scraper to mine structured data from any website according to given application. Okay, so we are going to do here web scraping. Here scraping means we are getting information from already existed data or good existing website. Okay, so develop a web application PHP to demonstrate the use of third-party APIs like weather, sports, to stock market, etc. So with the help of these third-party APIs, we are develop the simple web application. I develop a small project using Laravel framework, and doing develop a small project in Node.js. Okay, so these two are in the second unit, second chapter, and this one is the third chapter. This is belongs to fourth one, and first experiment belongs to first chapter, that is object-oriented programming. And evaluation scheme, the 50 marks end semester examination, that is a central level examination 50 marks, and the theory, that is a mid semester examination 30 marks mid-sem examination. So, and internal two assignments set for the topics. out of the syllabus. Okay, so we are going to give you the two set of assignments. So come out of the syllabus, you have to do the assignments and external examination, viva, and the laboratory project. So laboratory projects. So you have to do these all things. So we have four sections in CSE and ICE and IT. So TD1. So I'm going to handle. My name is Mahendra Reddy. So and coming to syllabus, yeah, subject name Android Web Technology, Advanced Web Technology, fourth year. So in the syllabus, object-oriented PHP, class, properties, method, magic functions, constructors, destructors, getter, setter, method, encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism. These are all the topics in object-oriented and advanced PHP, web scraping using CURL, regular expression, mail function, web services, and API. So in the web services and API, we are using the uh, this one, weather, sports, stock market, etc. So in that Laravel framework, introduction to Laravel MEC, environment setup, routes, namespaces, controllers, views, request response, redirections, form, session, cookies, database connectivity, and crowd applications. So these all are the basic things only. Don't worry about this. And Node.js, Node.js, introduction to Node.js, Node Package Manager, REPL terminal, Node.js server and the clients, creating a simple server, rendering HTML, rendering JSON data routing. So these are also same basic part. Okay, and the basics of Node.js. So total 42 lectures. Okay, so first chapter 6 lecture, and advanced PHP. Second chapter there is 6 lecture, and the third MVC at Laravel there is a 20 lecture, and Node.js that is a 10 lecture, total 42 lecture. These are the reference books and PHP the data migral publisher. Okay, so this book is available in the library, but this book is not available complete reference, and this is also not available. Only two, three books are available for the Laravel. You can also get PDF of this book. This Laravel book, you can get the PDF from the Google, or else I will share with you. I have that book. Yeah, remaining all are I will explain tomorrow in theory because of another two batches are not there here. So supplementary resources, you can use these links to get the notes about learning Laravel.net, tutorialpoint.com, Laravel.com, nodejs.org, W3 schools, tutorials point, W3 resources, Java T point. You can use any of the website for references. So you already know about PHP, how to develop a simple web application. So you have to do today lab to create a simple CRUD application. Okay, that is your work today. So I'm not going to explain anything. So just I'm going to explain small thing for the execution. Okay. So this is a simple CRUD application. So after executing this CRUD application file, so I will get empty one. So when you click add user, then you can add name, email, mobile, add. So the details are name, email, and mobile. The two member one 2% details are added to list. So now when you click that view user details, so Mahendra Reddy and mobile name, email number, and so you have two options. One is edit and delete. So second person name like this. So email ID edit and delete. If you click edit, then you can edit here. update. Then it will be updated. So Mahendra space CH. So you can also delete the person detail. So you have to do this application today. That's it. If anyone have any doubt, then ask me. So you don't have any doubts? So I will ask you one by one. Amish Donga, Amisha Donga, who is that? Anjali Kumari, yeah. Anjali Kumari, unmute yourself and speak with me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what I am saying, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do the simple code application today. So that is the today's lab work. Already you know all things about that, how to design a HTML page, how to connect it to database. Okay, with the help of MySQL database. You know that everything. Yeah,
Yes, sir. In previous semester, we learned about
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah. That's why I'm giving this task to this lab. So next lab we are going to handle the first experiment, that is a object-oriented concept. Okay. So now you have to do this one. Simple, simple. Okay. Now, Dhruv,
Yes, sir.
yeah, did you get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can do that. Okay. So you have laptop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do that. Just I'm revising. Just I'm revising the topics, so whatever you learned in the previous semester. And Jeet Adeshara. Jeet Adeshara.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So did you got what I'm saying?
Yes, I got it.
Yes, yes. You can do that. Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Yes, yes. And Kiran Patel. Kirtan Patel. Sorry. Kirtan Patel.
Yes, sir.
So you have laptop.
Yes.
Yeah, you can do that a simple CRUD application today.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Priyank.
Yes, sir.
So did you got what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just do that simple CRUD application.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, thank you. I'm going to stop my screen sharing. So parallelly, I'm going to ask the simple questions to you. So just it is a revision purpose. I'm not going to test you anything. I'm not going to give any marks to you. Just I'm going to revise you. Okay, that's it. Yeah, first Ankit.
Yes,
Ankit,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the different operators in the PHP?
Arithmetic operators,
Okay,
then uh, uh,
okay. So what are arithmetic operators?
logical
Tell me that.
operators.
What?
Hello.
Hello?
Logical operators.
Yeah. Just
Hello.
tell me what are arithmetic operators?
What, sir?
What are arithmetic operators?
Sorry, sir. I don't know.
You don't know that? Arithmetic operators. What are arithmetic
Arithmetic
operations?
operator.
Yes, yes.
Arithmetic.
Yes, yes. Arithmetic operations.
Plus plus.
Okay. Plus plus means
Minus. Uh, plus
what it
plus
is plus plus.
means it will add. Huh?
No, it is another operator, unary operator that is.
Okay. Plus, minus,
Okay, plus, minus.
divider,
Mm-hmm.
percentage,
Okay,
multiplication.
okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Deep Kenny. Yeah, unmute yourself and speak with me. Deep Kenny, sir, mic problem in laptop. Okay. Yeah, Disha.
Yes, sir.
So, what is PHP? Tell me about PHP.
Sir, man, PHP is a scripting, scripting language.
Scripting language.
Yes.
Okay. Why we are using
General
scripting?
purpose for web developing
Okay.
and can embed into. We can add HTML also.
Okay. So, what is the main use of PHP? Why we are using? Already we have HTML and CSS. So, why we are using
Database.
PHP? Database.
Yes.
Only database.
Else I don't know, sir.
Okay. So, major purpose is to execute the server to develop server side applications. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is the main use of PHP. So HTML we can't execute the server side applications. So with the help of PHP we can execute the server side application. So other programming language also is there, but the PHP easy to learn compared to JavaScript. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
mute yourself. Hussein Hussein Samija. Hussein is not here. Jenish Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the difference between get and post method.
Sir, in get method, in a URL search, we cannot send any kind of information, but
Okay.
પોસ્ટ મેથડમાં આપણે સેન્ડ ન કરી શકીએ અને ગેટ મેથડની અંદર આપણે યુઆરએલની સર્ચમાં આપણે સેન્ડ કરી શકીએ.
Yeah, actually, I'm going to clarify one thing. So I don't know Hindi, Gujarati. I know only English. If you have any clarification, any doubt, just then speak with me in English only. So if you don't
ઓકે
know
સર.
how to speak English, then you can inform to your friend. Then he will inform to me. He will speak. He will guide the in English. Okay.
ઓકે સર.
Yeah. Now tell me get and post method.
In get method we
What
cannot
is the difference?
yes sir, in post method we cannot send any information in URL, but in get method we can send information or data send in one page
Okay.
to another page.
Okay, so it is a advantage or disadvantages by sending information through URL?
I think disadvantage because
Yes,
security purpose.
yes, yes, yes. So all the when we are using get method, all user details will be available in the URL, so that
Sorry,
people
sir.
will hack that information. When you use get method, okay, so that the user details, all details will be available in the URL. Okay, then
Yes,
easily hack that website or that user details. Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
so that is a difference between get and post method.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, mute yourself. Priyank,
Yes, sir.
yeah, what you are doing?
Sorry, sir.
What you are doing now?
The crude operation, sir. What
Yeah,
you said.
you are
Yes,
doing
sir.
that. Yes,
Yes.
okay. Okay, I'm going to ask you one question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the difference between echo and print method.
Echo and print.
Yes.
I don't know, sir.
Hmm?
I don't know, sir.
So you learned in the previous semester, I think.
Yes, sir.
So you already completed your remedial exams in the last month.
Yes.
So I will ask you after 10 to 15 minutes, then you get the answer from anywhere. You ask your friend or you ask your Google. Okay. I will
Okay.
ask you again.
Okay.
Hmm. Ankit, Ankit Mangukia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the difference between echo and the print.
Uh, Sorry, sir. I don't.
Anyone know this answer? If you know the answer, then unmute yourself and explain. So meet, yeah, Anjali
Am
Kumari.
I am I audible, sir?
Yeah, tell me, meet.
Both the echo and print both are used to print the output data on the screen. The
Okay.
difference for the echo there is no written value,
Yes.
and for the print there is written value of one.
Yes. Yes. That is a major difference between echo and the print.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Ankit, mute yourself. Run for you. You run for you. Yeah, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and speak with me. Sir, my mic is not working. Okay. Then answer this question. Yeah, which function is used to check given variable is which data type? Okay. Which function is used to check variable is a which type of data holds? Okay. Are you getting what I'm asking? No, sir. Okay. I will ask you once again. So, which function is used in PHP? Check the data type of any variable. How to check data type of any variable? Which function we are using? No idea, sir. Yeah, Kirtan Patel.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me that answer.
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
Okay. Which function is used in PHP to check the data type of any variable?
Get type.
Get type. Yeah, okay. Yatri Patel. Yatri Patel.
Yes, sir.
So tell me what is the use of include function?
Sorry, sir.
What is the use of include function, include method?
Include function.
Mm,
Um,
mm.
we use it to include the header files.
Include the header file.
File. Yeah.
No. Include method is there in PHP.
Yes, include method.
Then tell me.
I have no idea about include method. I was speaking of include file means include.
Yeah, Jeet Adersha. Jeet Adersha.
Yes, sir.
So tell me about you include. What is the use of
Uh,
include? What is the
okay, use of include is you can add external files of PHP. Like if
yeah,
you made some server file or some server code, you can add that into your HTML file or your.
yes, yes. So with the help of include, we are add the external files into our module. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Mute yourself. Meet Panchal. Meet Panchal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, show me your screen. What you are doing?
Is it visible, sir?
No. Yeah, now it's visible. So what you are doing?
Nothing.
You are doing
Attending.
that application. Third application. Third.
No, sir.
Why?
I thought that the name which you announced, those
No,
they
no,
have
no.
to.
Everyone has to do that. Everyone has to do that in this session. Not only single person. All 20 members. You have to do that third application today. You have to complete before 2 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you to share screen. Not only single person. Every person you have to do that. Okay.
Okay, I will start now.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll start now. Everyone has to do that third application today. That is your task. Nayan Miyatra. Nayan Miyatra. Yeah, unmute yourself. Sir, I'm using mobile. You can also speak to mobile. Sorry, sir, mic is not working. For your mobile phone also, it is not working. Then why you are using that mobile? Just now you told I'm using mobile. Now you are, what is this? Sorry, sir, mic is not working. I'm using laptop. Okay, show me your screen. Nayan Miyatra, show me your screen. So what you are doing now? Okay. Show me your code. XAMPP setup. Okay. Do it fast. I will ask you again. Okay. It gives me such error. Show me that error. And now it's working. Okay, you have to run the go to exam control panel. So run second one, MySQL. Yes. Then refresh that browser. Error MySQL.
So it's a
Shit.
XAMPP error.
Okay.
Yeah, he used to like uninstall the XAMPP and again you have to install it.
Yeah, you have
Or
to do
maybe
that.
just change the port number. Maybe it will work. Like
Yeah, you can.
go to the logs. Uh,
No, not there. In the config file.
yeah, in the config file.
Yeah, I will show
Maybe
you.
change.
Yeah, stop your screen sharing. I will show you. So in the exam, you have to go to config. In this here, listen 8080 you have to put. Okay, and one more place also you have to write 8080 in the, yeah, here server name localhost 8080 here, and you can write here listen 8080, then you will get that port number 8080. You use here localhost 8080. Okay, either you can use 2020 or 2019. Okay, you can use anything like that. You have to set up your XAMPP. It takes time to download. So previously you don't have exam server. Dhruv, Dhruv Savalia.
Yes, sir.
You are doing you are doing
Sir,
code application.
sir, working is going on.
Okay, do it. Disha,
Yes, sir.
you are doing.
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Yeah, okay. How much time you require?
Sir, I don't know exactly time, but I'm just doing now.
Yeah, okay. Do it.
Okay.
Amisha,
Yes, sir.
you are doing.
Yes, sir.
How much you did?
Sir, I download them.
Just now.
Yes, sir, because my Jamp is not properly working. So,
Okay, okay. So download and do it fast.
okay, okay, sir.
Hardik, yes, I'm using mobile. Unmute yourself and speak with me.
Yes, sir.
So you don't have laptop?
Sir, I have laptop, but I am living in I live in village. That's why data
Okay.
and network problem.
So without data working, how you are connected to this class?
I attend
Without
all class.
network, how you connect now?
I attend all class in mobile.
Okay. So for the practical, how you do that? So in the previous last 1.5 month onwards, what you are doing same?
In a previous day, one lab are there in a mobile computing, but
Okay.
that practical also doing in mobile some mobile application in available in Play Store.
Okay.
Some practical we do.
So what about the lab? This lab, AWT lab. When you will do this CRUD application, so you have to submit next week, next Monday.
So I try to complete in laptop.
Okay. But next lab onwards, compulsory you have to log in with your laptop only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So without laptop, we can't do anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. This applications can't run in the mobile phone. You can
Yes.
run the simple Java, C in the Google compilers, but PHP we can't run. This is of APIs we are using Laravel, Node.js. Okay. So
Yes,
web
yes,
scraping we have to do it on laptop itself only.
yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, also I have laptop problem. Jenish Kumar, unmute yourself and speak with me.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me, Jenish, what happened to your laptop?
Sir, my laptop is not properly working. Is uh, automatically log out,
Shut
shut
down
down.
automatically. Yes. So you have
And
to reinstall your operating system.
yes, sir.
Uh, so without laptop you can't do anything. So today onwards, other subjects are already going to start it. So Android programming, AWT, Python programming, all the subjects are belongs to lab only, practical sessions only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next week onwards, you have to compulsory log in with your laptop and you have to do that applications, whatever I'm giving.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, what about the project for this subject? Like, I was little late in this lecture, so
What?
The projects.
Projects.
Yeah. Like which type of project we have to do in this subject?
Assignment.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will share with you that file. Okay. So two applications are there. You have to do that two assignments, two projects. At the end of the semester, you have to submit.
So it's like, yeah, you showed that practical, that 5 or 6 practical,
No, no, no,
that only.
not that. Other than
Okay.
that,
So
other than that, there is
okay,
a
2 assignments which is
yes,
out of
yes,
the syllabus.
yes. So I will show you.
Okay.
So these are the two assignments you have to do. Assignment one: develop a web scraper, minimum 3 pages to mine structured data from any website using any method other than CURL. Okay, with the CURL we are doing in the lab. So other than that, you have to use any other API to do the web scraping in the assignment one.
Okay.
And in the assignment two, what do you know about CSRF token in Laravel? How can someone turn off CSRF protection for a specific route? So you have to do these two assignments.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
So these two assignments
So
are hello.
any other projects instead of this?
No, no.
This is all. Okay.
Yeah, lab experiments are five and these two. Okay.
Okay.
So in the evaluation scheme, end semester examination 50 marks is there. Okay. 30 marks is a mid semester examination. Internal marks is a two assignment set. Okay, two assignments already I given to you, no? The two
I
assignments,
got it, sir.
yeah, 20 marks. That's it. So
Okay.
laboratory
Thank you,
projects,
sir.
that list of experiments, only 5 experiments are there. Then we have to do that experiments. That's it. Hussein, Hussein is here. Hussein Sameja. Yeah, unmute yourself. Unmute. Unmute your mic. Am I audible to you? Sir, not working. You are using mobile or laptop. What is not working? Laptop. Mic is not working. Everyone have same problem. My mic is not working. My laptop is not working. So how you are attending your sessions from previously 2 months? without this. You have to download drivers from Google and install. Or else, if you have any hardware problem, then you have to go to the service center and repair that one. So there is no clarification when the physical classes are going to start. We answer using texting. Okay. So now what you are doing? So you are doing that application, trying. Yeah. Okay. So show me your screen. Hussein, show me your screen. No, it's not visible. Yes, now it's visible. You're trying to do that. Okay. Yeah, you try. If you have any doubt, you can post in text message. Stop your screen sharing. Krishna Raj, Krishna Raj Jadeja,
Yes, sir.
you are doing your work.
So XAMPP is getting installed because it had issues, so I'm just waiting till it finishes the installation.
Okay, okay. You have only 1 hour to do that.
Yes,
Okay.
sure, sir, no problem. I will finish it throughout the whole day if I can't finish in 1 hour.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Meet Panchal. Meet. Meet. Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes.
So up to now, what you done?
Yes, I'm doing that task.
You're doing?
Yes.
Show me your screen.
One second. So I have created the table,
Okay.
the database test, and under that, sorry, I've created the database data and then registration table under
Okay.
that FNAM, mail, city, and country.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
I'm writing the PHP code.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Priyank,
Yes, sir.
you are doing?
Yes.
Show me. Show me your screen. Okay. Okay. Yatri Patel. Yatri Patel. Deep Keshani. Kenny. Deep Kenny. Show me your screen. Deep Kenny, show me your screen. So what you did up to now? Okay. Entire thing is over. Hello. Deep Kenny, unmute yourself and speak with me. Our mic problem. Okay. Did you got entire thing? Okay, I designed 10. Okay. Stop your screen sharing. Drashti. Drashti, you're here. Drashti, you're not here. Amisha. Amisha Donga.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
No, sir.
How much
Working.
working?
Yes.
How much time you want?
I don't know.
Okay, so now it's a 1-5. You
Yes,
have only
sir.
50 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Do it fast.
Okay.
Anjali Kumari.
Yes, sir.
Finished your work.
Sir, I'm still working.
Okay, you are still working. Show me your screen.
Sir, actually, I'm logging in, meet with my phone. When it will complete, then I will.
Okay, so you are logging with phone and you are using laptop to do
When
application.
it will complete, then I will see.
Yeah, okay, okay. Ankit,
Yes, sir.
finished your work. Did you finish?
No, sir, I am logging with my mobile phone. I am
Okay.
completing after lab session.
Okay, you are going to do after lab. So you don't
Yes,
have
sir.
laptop?
No, sir, right now I am not doing laptop.
Okay, so when you will going to submit?
In next lab, I will going to submit.
Okay, I will ask you in the next lab. Okay, so definitely you have to log in with the laptop and show me the output. Okay,
Uh,
don't copy
Sorry,
from
sir.
your friends. Okay,
I am not logging with laptop.
okay,
Here network connectivity is slow.
okay. So how you are going to show in the next week?
Uh, I am taking screenshot or photo in my mobile, and I will represent my mobile screen into this.
Okay. So you in lab sessions compulsory you have to log in with the laptop only. Otherwise you can't to do anything. So at least 2 hours you are wasting your time. Okay. So try to log in with
Here
your laptop next week onwards.
network is not flexible here.
Okay. At least try once. At least a lab session for not only me subject, other subjects also. At least a lab session you have to try to log in with the laptop.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Disha,
Yes, sir.
did you completed your work? It is finished. Hello.
What, sir?
Did you completed your work today's task?
No, doing.
You are doing or not doing?
Yes, I'm doing.
How much time you want? Show me your screen.
I'm insert
Show
operation.
show me your screen.
Okay. Sir, is this? Sir,
Yes.
is visible?
Yeah, yeah. Show me the code, okay? So what you did up to now?
Sir, there is an error. I cannot insert in this table. I don't know what is error.
You are copying code from net. Yes.
What, sir?
You copied code from Google.
No, no, sir.
Mhm. Where you are getting error?
Sir, it is not insert any in database.
First you have to create database. Did you created that one?
Yes, sir, I already created.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How to access that data?
I tried.
Okay.
What, sir?
Yeah, tell. Show me, show me.
It's not working, sir.
Did you wrote that query, insert query in that page?
Yes, sir.
Show me.
Sir, this is insert query.
queries?
What, sir?
Where is insert query in your code?
Yes, sir. This is insert query.
Which one? Not here. In your PH. Okay. So insert into code username, password values, username and password. Okay. Then execute the query. Query is equal to MySQL I underscore query. Okay. Now run your code.
What, sir?
Execute your code.
Okay.
Stop presentation and do that. You can search in Google. You'll get that error.
What, sir?
Did you execute this program? This script?
Yes, sir.
What error you are getting? Show me that error.
No error, but not inserted.
Okay. Once show me that code.
Okay. Sir, this is connection.
Yeah. In that in show me that username, values, dollar name.
This one, sir?
No, not that. Insert query. Insert query.
Okay.
So your table name is CRUD. Okay.
CRUD. Yes, sir.
That is a table name or database name.
Database name also CRUD, but it's capital.
Okay. So username, password, and values. Okay, now it's fine. Someone wrote in the chat box, insert into info, name, address, values, name, and address. Did you do the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir. Can you please repeat?
Yeah.
Maybe just remove that backtick of name of database. Maybe.
Disha,
I
listen
think
to
it's
him.
that insert query.
What? Yes.
Remove that backtick, like the name of CRUD. And the database name is CRUD. So remove that backtick. Maybe it will work. And also the fields like username and password. Insert into CRUD. Simple CRUD. Database name.
It is fine now.
I think my internet connection is low. I'm not getting. And also change the backticks from username and password. Just take as a username and password only.
Yeah, Disha, use this syntax, insert
Yes,
into
sir.
users.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, stop your screen sharing. Krishnaraj Jadeja. Krishnaraj Jadeja.
Yes, sir.
Did you finish your work?
No, sir. I'm actually having a little issue, so I'm taking help from the online websites and YouTube.
Okay, okay. Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
मी पंख चालू.
Jeet, Adersha, Adeshara, Jeet.
Yes, sir.
Did you complete it?
Yeah, almost, sir, but having issue with update query, so
Okay, okay.
solving that.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, Disha, mute yourself, mute your mic. Keyur Ranparia. Hello. Keyur Ranparia. Finished your work? Did you complete it? Sir, I have also mobile. What about your laptop? Unmute yourself and speak with me. No laptop. Okay. Priyank.
Yes, sir.
Completed your work?
No, I am doing, sir.
How much time you want?
I don't know, sir.
How much you did? Show me. Okay.
My XAMPP was not working, so I am reinstalling it.
Okay.
It was error.
Okay. Okay.
I am doing this.
Do it fast.
Okay.
Kirtan Patel. Kirtan Patel.
Yes, sir.
Did you completed your work?
It's ongoing.
Okay. How much time you want?
Can't predict, sir.
Okay. Show me your screen. Ethan Patel,
Yes, sir.
show me your screen. Okay, how much you did?
Created table and database here,
Mm-hmm.
and now trying to connect it.
Okay, do it fast.
Okay.
Anyone is completed?